In the heart of the vast African savannah, a tiny elephant named Ella was born. Unlike the other elephants in her herd, Ella was petite and delicate, with ears that were slightly smaller and a frame that was more compact. But what she lacked in size, she made up for with an indomitable spirit and a heart full of determination. From a young age, Ella yearned to explore the world beyond the boundaries of her herd's territory. She watched with envy as the older elephants embarked on grand adventures, discovering new lands and encountering magnificent creatures. Despite the doubts and concerns of her fellow elephants, Ella set out to prove that even the smallest of creatures could achieve greatness. Her first solo expedition took her to the edge of the sprawling grasslands, where she encountered a wise old tortoise named Tully. Tully, with his slow and deliberate movements, had witnessed the wonders of the world and possessed a wealth of knowledge. Impressed by Ella's courage, he became her mentor, sharing tales of distant lands and guiding her on her journey. With Tully's guidance, Ella traveled through lush forests, crossed glistening rivers, and navigated rocky terrain. She encountered playful monkeys swinging through the treetops, graceful giraffes grazing on tall acacia trees, and colorful birds singing melodies that echoed through the air. Each encounter filled her heart with wonder and ignited a desire to continue exploring. One day, as Ella ventured deep into an enchanted jungle, she stumbled upon a hidden waterfall. Its cascading waters sparkled like diamonds, and a sense of tranquility enveloped her. Intrigued by the magical aura surrounding the waterfall, Ella approached cautiously. To her astonishment, the shimmering water granted her a special gift, the ability to communicate with animals of all kinds. Ella's heart swelled with joy as she conversed with chattering monkeys, wise old owls, and gentle deer. She listened intently to their stories and shared her own experiences, creating a bond of understanding and friendship. Word of Ella's unique gift spread across the animal kingdom, and creatures from far and wide sought her wisdom and guidance. She became known as the tiny elephant with a big heart, revered for her compassion and her ability to bring different species together in harmony. With newfound purpose, Ella dedicated herself to fostering unity among animals, teaching them the value of cooperation and respect for one another. She organized gatherings where animals of all species gathered to share their wisdom and stories, fostering a sense of camaraderie and understanding. As time went on, Ella's impact extended beyond the animal kingdom. Humans who witnessed the harmony among animals were inspired by her message of unity and began to embrace diversity, working together to protect the natural world and all its inhabitants. Ella's journey continued, her tiny frame carrying a mighty spirit. She roamed the vast savannah, spreading love, compassion, and understanding wherever she went. The tale of the tiny elephant with a big heart became a legend, whispered through generations, reminding all who heard it that greatness could be found in even the smallest of beings. And so, Ella, the tiny elephant, left an indelible mark on the world, teaching us that size is no measure of one's worth. With her unwavering determination and boundless love, she showed that true greatness lies in the strength of one's spirit and the capacity to bring joy and harmony to all living beings.